they don't get rid of all of the drug paraphernalia in the area, but it does improve the situation, and it does, I suppose, improve the health and safety of people who visit the park or people who work in the park, or indeed obviously people who might be injecting in the park as well. This bin here, which is on the city wall, the old city wall, they found around 6 kilograms of drug-related litter, so things like needles and syringes and cooking pots and saline water, that kind of thing. So it's been successful. Obviously, public injecting really impacts badly on the amenity of any area that it occurs in. So local communities, local businesses are affected very badly, and it can be disturbing. It can be scary, and I guess the bins represent an opportunity for people who are injecting in the public domain to put their syringes and their drug-related litter away safely.